fucking goddamn! I know, I saw it over there. Hey, when I'm there, fucking head out. Oh, yeah. That makes me so unhappy. Alright. Damn! Yeah. You fucking scared the shit out of me. I ain't fucking loud.
What'd you say?
I gotta get my knee pad first.
Camera coming through. Camera. Camera. Go shoot the camera.
Oh, yeah.
They're heading over around this way.
Oh, in the face.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm right.
Alright.
Thank you.
Colin wants to come right there. There.
I think they're aiming for me.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I think the entire room died of horrible death.
I'm just gonna go outside now.
Are those boys?
Yeah.
Hey, that's the camera!
Hey! You probably want to go, Colby. They're just going to keep shooting you.
Yeah. Dead man coming out.
Bye, Colby!
Hey, get back here.
Go in the room!
What is that? Keep going or they're going to shoot at me.
Go, get up! Dave, come out! Okay, watch your left.
Hey, man. Come here.
Hey!
Watch the 9.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll take one, you take one.
Push up!
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hey guys, don't forget behind you. Oh my god. Here, you can take mine. No, I'm good. You need a medal? Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Alright, good luck. Window. Net. Keep shooting. Six. You got it? Still over there. Meaning, please.
See you, Lonnie.